Today we are trying ramen tonkotsu, Tonkotzsu, ramen with koro mayo black garlic oil. Let's get into it. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my beautiful hot messes. My name is Mistress Lavender. Oh my god, this tastes so good. And welcome to my YouTube where I post every single day, multiple times a day, because I have amazing things to say. And I hope you're having a great day so far. Come and eat with me. This is my first time having this specific ramen brand. Oh, I've been missing out. This is good. Oh my goodness. How do you guys make your ramen? I put it in the microwave. I put the water in the microwave. I know some people heat the water first and let it sit, but I don't know. I just like to put it in the microwave. Oh man, this is so, and I put like a cheese in there. Let me know what I should eat next. If you want to get me an Amazon gift card, you're more than welcome. My email's down below in the description box. Or if you want to get me a DoorDash gift card, Instacart, Whole Foods. Yeah, I love those. Look at this. You can't really see it, but yeah. This is so good. I'm blessed to be alive, and I'm happy you're alive with me too. It's just so good. Ooh, hot. So good. Oh my goodness. Oh, hot. Oh, I'm blessed to be alive. This is good. I usually get